Today on Meals by Mary, we're making a delicious, creamy mushroom soup. It's cozy, comforting, and exactly what you want when the weather starts to cool down. The flavor is rich, the texture is silky, and the best part, it comes together quickly. Let's get right into it and start cooking. First, I'm getting all my veggies ready, and they are not much, by the way. I'm using 1 medium onion, 1 clove of garlic, and about 500 grams or 1 pound of mushrooms. I've already cleaned the mushrooms, so I'm just slicing them up. Everything will be blended later on, so don't worry about the perfect sizes here. If you're into warm, comforting soups this time of year and you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to join the channel. I've got lots of delicious soups coming up. Then I'll take 1 onion and cut it into strips. You can also cut it into cubes. As I said, we will be blending everything together later on, so you don't need to worry about the shape of your veggies. And trust me, this mushroom soup tastes so much better than the pre-made, the pre-packed one that you find in your local grocery store, and it doesn't take much time to make. So make it at home. It's fresher, healthier, and the flavor is on a whole different level. Finally, I'll give the garlic clove a quick chop. Now in a pot, I'm melting about a teaspoon of butter, just enough to give the base a nice rich flavor. As soon as it melts, I toss in the chopped garlic. It only needs a minute or so before it becomes fragrant and you start smelling that lovely garlicky aroma. That's when I add the onion. Now I let the onion and garlic cook together for about 5 minutes, stirring every now and then until they soften and turn a light golden color. Once they have reached that point, I add in the sliced mushrooms. I give them a good stir and let them cook until they soften and release their moisture. They will start looking glossy and darker as they cook down. When the mushrooms have released most of their liquid, I pour in about 2 cups of water. Chicken stock works too, but I prefer using water here because it keeps the flavor clean and lets the mushroom taste really shine. Now I'm adding in a teaspoon of veggie seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Once everything is in, I cover the pot and let it simmer for roughly 10 minutes, just until it comes up to a gentle boil. Once the soup comes to a boil, uncover and add a mix of 1/2 cup of cold water, around 150 milliliters, with 1 teaspoon of starch. Then blend the soup using a hand blender until it's smooth. I don't go completely silky though. I like to keep tiny pieces of mushrooms for a bit of texture. When the soup is blended, add about 1/2 cup of cooking cream. Now gently mix it through so the cream blends in without over mixing. Give it a taste test. This is the perfect moment to adjust everything to your liking. More salt, more black pepper, or even splash more of cooking cream if you want it richer. Just a quick tip, if your soup turns out thicker than you prefer, you can loosen it up with a little bit more water. Mine is just right, so it's ready to serve and I can't wait to dig in. And that is it on Meals by Mary today, a warm, creamy mushroom soup that is even better with a few crunchy crackers on the side. Every spoonful is comforting, rich, and full of flavor, perfect for chilly days when you just want something cozy and satisfying. Stick around because I've got plenty more simple, delicious recipes coming up that's perfect for cozy meals at home. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!